inspirational speakers out of the corporate market. Just a while ago, probably less than 2 hours, me and Mitch Silonga just signed a contract. My corporate outreach persona just got Legendary Life and Mitch Silonga as our premier artist and are launching April 27th, every last Friday of the month, Cinema 7 Market Mall. Palapakan naman natin, Mitch Silonga and the Legendary Life. So I'm going to have Mitch to stand with me. This is just a 5-minute talk, guys. Well, nothing happens by accident. We're here always because it is not chamba-chamba. It is all because of design. One thing I would want to share with you, and of course, happy birthday to Malu. Happy birthday, Malu. I don't know you, but your name is very familiar to everyone of us. Here's the thing. The world out there is so used to labeling us. If you hold a vodka, they label you a drunkard. If you hold a cigarette, they label you someone probably a chronic smoker. If, you fail in relationships, probably the world will label you as divorced and separated. But the thing is with labeling is very limiting. Malu, this is my birthday message to you. It's just 5 minutes. I have 3 minutes to go. This is just 90 seconds, guys. And that's it. Labeling will limit us. The world is so used to labeling. Like a girl who stands there on a very dark corner in Marikina, then will label her someone or whoever. Probably a girl that just lost her value. But it's not labeling that will really define us on a happy birthday night, on a wonderful contract signing, on a beautiful crowd in Bangyan Republic. We are so used in failure, but we need to realize one word, and one word I would want to give to you to inspire you guys in life, and the word is definition. Label does not define you. Definition is what is in your heart. Definition will give you the best of you in spite of whatever and whoever and however you are going through. My thing is this, there is the X-Men movie. The X-Men were labeled as mutants. But guess who saved the day? They were the X-Men. Well, in your heart lies the definition. You're not God. You did not save. You are good, and it's good because everything is good because the definition that's in your heart is good. Can you say to your friend beside you, you look good tonight? Come on, guys. Say to two people, you look good tonight. So Mitch, Silonga, where were you? Narinig ko kay Mitch. Sabi ko, Mitch, tingnan na sir, may programa kasi baka muli mamaya. Well, tonight guys, no one will talk probably like this. Everything we know are so dramatic. Filipinos are so dramatic, but drama without intelligence, ang tawag ko dyan, imo lang. SOS, same old story. Don't look at the labels. Don't hear what people are labeling you. Always, at the end of the day, before you sleep, look inside your heart. Because in your heart is defining you. You're good. You can succeed. You can make it. Tonight is good. Happy birthday, guys. Congratulations, Bangyan Republic. Here's my closing song. I love what your son sang, for amazing tonight, and Mitch Silonga, which is amazing tonight. You saw me just the way you are. And I want him to just close this talk that I have in my heart to you. And this is so wonderful. It's from our hearts to yours. And we have our Joel Moulin Outreach. We have inspirational events happening in Cinema 7 every last Friday of the month. It's not on faith-based, but it is on truth. We love you guys. Mitch Silonga.